Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on George Lee Boulevard, formerly Portmore Parkway, in Portmore towards Waterford, St. Catherine Parish. To the right is Portmore Town Centre. Portmore Parkway in St. Catherine Parish has been renamed George Lee Boulevard in honor of the first mayor of the municipality. On the right is Western Parade. Turning off George Lee Boulevard, formerly Portmore Parkway, onto Portmore Drive. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us into Passage Fort, Waterford, and other places. On the right is Miller Way. On the right is Miller Road. On the right is Brussels Avenue, and on the left is Palmetto West. On the right is Paris Avenue, and to the left is Portmore Mews. To the right is Portmore Gospel Assembly Preparatory School and also Portmore Gospel Assembly Church. On the right is London Avenue. On the right is Copenhagen Avenue. On the left is Westchester Drive, which will take you into Westchester Community. On the right is Cornwall Avenue. On the left is Miracle Open Bible Church. On the left is Hellshire Drive, which will take you south towards also Westchester, Garveymeade, Westport, and other places. On the right is St. Mary Avenue. On the right is Royal Avenue. On the left is Arizona Avenue. On the left is Texas Avenue. Portmore Drive continues straight across the open lot into Cumberland Community, but we are turning right onto Augusta Drive. On the left is Southborough Primary School. On the left is Rehoboth Apostolic Church. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.